Now, with just 48 hours remaining left to go for round one of the big battle in Bengal, it's a mega rally war in poll-bound state. The BJP is all set to maximize its campaign blitz in the last leg of the campaign. Home Minister Amit Shah, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and actor Neta Mithun Chakravarti will be addressing rallies across the state. On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee will also be addressing rallies on wheelchair in the run-up to the Phase 1 polls, which takes place on the 27th of March. Remember, the first phase of polls have witnessed a fiery showdown between the BJP and Mamata Banerjee.
बंगाल के कोने कोने से अब एक ही आवाज आ रही है। बंगाल के हर घर से एक ही आवाज आ रही है। बंगाल के हर मुख से एक ही आवाज आ रही है। 2 मई दीदी जाथे। दीदी, ओ दीदी, এখানে কোনো ভারতবাসী বহিরাগত নয়, সব भारत माता संतान। इसी धरती से गुरुदेव ने कहा और जो हम रोज कहते हैं, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। उस बंगाल में गुरुदेव की धरती से उस बंगाल में दीदी बहिरागोतो की बात कर रही हो।
एक और मोदी जी ने गरीब के विकास के लिए 115 स्कीम बनाई है। दीदी ने गरीबों को लूटने के लिए 115 स्कैम बनाए हैं, स्कैम बनाए। अम्फाम आया था ना भाई, आया था या नहीं आया था? मोदी जी ने 10,000 करोड़ रुपया भेजा, कुछ मिला है क्या आपको? मिला है? ये कहां गया? कहां गया? ये भतीजा एंड कंपनी चाव कर गई है। भतीजा एंड कंपनी चाव कर गई।
राम के बगैर भारत का कोई काम ही नहीं, और जो रामद्रोही हैं उनके अभी भारत में कोई काम नहीं, बंगाल में कोई काम नहीं। ये संकल्प हम सबको लेकर के चलना है।
আমাকে ভয় পাচ্ছিল বলে ভাবছিল ইলেকশনে মমতা ব্যানার্জি বেরোলে বিজেপি গোহারা হারবে, তাই ওর পাটাকে জব্দ করে দে। কিন্তু ওরা জানে না যে আমি ভাঙি তবু আমি মচকাই না। বিজেপি একটা রাজনৈতিক দল, ভারতবর্ষের জঘন্য দল, জঘন্য পার্টি। সব বন্ধ করে দেয়, দাঙ্গা করে লোক মারে, খুন করে লোক মারে। বিজেপি হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে বড় তোলাবাজ ভারতবর্ষের। পিএম কেয়ারের নাম করে লক্ষ লক্ষ কোটি টাকা তুলেছে, অথচ আজকে জনগণ কোভিড ইনজেকশন পাচ্ছে না। আবার নতুন করে কোভিড শুরু হয়েছে।
কোনো মায়া নেই এদের, কোনো দয়া নেই এদের। এরা হচ্ছে স্বৈরাচারী, দুরাচারী, রাবণের দল। এরা শুধু গিলতে এসছে, দুর্নীতি করতে এসছে।
While the poll battleground in Bengal heats up, we're looking at star campaigners of the BJP now carrying out massive campaigns across the length and breadth of West Bengal. I'm going to take you through where the places they're going to be campaigning, including Mamata Banerjee and her trail as well. Let's start with Amit Shah. He's going to be campaigning at Purulia. He's also going to be campaigning at Jhargram. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, will also be at Tamluk in the day and the next 2-3 days. Bishnupur also, he's going to be campaigning, while Yogi Adityanath, another star campaigner of the BJP, will be campaigning in Sagar. He's also going to be at Chandrakona. In fact, Yogi Adityanath will also campaign at Nandigram, Mamata Banerjee's turf. Now, we're looking at Rajnath Singh, who's also going to be campaigning at Jayanagar. He's also going to be campaigning at Chanditala. He's also going to be campaigning at Taldad Nagar. In fact, we're looking at Mithun Chakravarti as well, where he will be campaigning at Chatna. Mithun Chakravarti will also be at Saltora. He's going to be campaigning also at Jhargram. Now, He's also going to be at Raipur as well as Bankura. Let's cut across to Mamata Banerjee's campaign trail. She's going to be, of course, at South 24 Parganas. She's also going to be campaigning at Paschim Mednipur. And Mamata Banerjee will also be campaigning extensively at Purulia. So these are the areas where the BJP leaders, star campaigners, will be extensively campaigning. And Mamata Banerjee herself will also be moving around these trails on a wheelchair. We're looking at the battle only intensifying with just 2 days ahead of polls. I'm going to cut across to Paulami Saha joining us for more details on that. Paulami, over to you. Here we're looking at just 2 days left to go for the first phase of polling in West Bengal. We're looking at heated, in fact, war of words there over corruption and a series of developmental issues that the BJP has raised, with Mamata retorting to it. What more do we see with the BJP now bringing all their force into West Bengal? Just all the star campaigners now in the campaign trail across the length and breadth.
Well, this is the final push. Today is the final day of campaigning for the first phase of the elections. Campaigning comes to a close at 5 p.m. today. So BJP has, of course, put all its arsenal on the ground itself. You know that Rajnath Singh is campaigning today. Yogi Adityanath is campaigning today as well. Amit Shah will be campaigning as well. Of course, they're not restricting themselves to the constituencies that go to polls only in the first phase. It's spread across the second and the third phase also that they're covering as part of their campaign trail today. But clearly, you know, it gives a sense of how much the BJP is putting at stake as far as this election is concerned. Their star campaigner Mithun Chakraborty, who joined the party on the 7th of March, will be finally hitting the campaign trail today from Saltora, where he will be campaigning for Chandana Bori, who is a daily wage worker's wife, who has been given a candidature by the BJP from the Saltora seat in Bankura district. So clearly a lot at stake. Mamata Banerjee, of course, has been vigorously campaigning herself across the state as well, specifically, of course, focusing on the districts that go to polls in the first and the second phase, which include, of course, Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, West Midnapur and East Midnapur.
Thank you very much, Paulami, for joining us with those details. Paulami Saha in Howrah there. Last day of campaigning, right ahead of the first phase of polls that will start on the 27th of March. BJP putting all its strength on ground today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.